Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got a package from AliExpress. Let's open it up and check it out. Well, here it is. Let's open this thing up and check it out. I ordered a bunch of stickers, so let's see what these ones are. Boom, do you recognize the logos? I do, so I know right away that these are my Star Wars stickers that I ordered. So let me tell you a little bit about the stickers while I go through and show you the different designs that came in. These are all vinyl stickers. You can use them on your laptop cases, water bottles, suitcases, any kind of place, even bumper stickers. I guess they might not last as long there, but these ones I ordered from AliExpress on April 3rd, and they just arrived on June 2nd. They came from the Meter Rabbit store, and I paid $2.52 for 50 of them. They had a 5-star rating, which is not too bad, seeing that it's hard to find anything with 5-star rating. Oh, look at the slave one. And yeah, so that's what the details are. I figured I had Mandalorian stickers. I didn't have any just regular Star Wars stickers. So I wanted something. Jedi Academy, may the Force be with you. Jabba. That's kind of cool looking one. I get these for my water bottle, which I eventually plan to do a video on just my water bottle. But I'm waiting for all the stickers to come in, and that means I'm still waiting on a few more. I almost didn't recognize that. It is the Rebel logo, but it almost looks like the logo from Hunger Games. I think maybe that's what they were going for. I guess every once in a while they might sneak in something that's not technically Star Wars. That is Transformers, and I'm not that upset about it. I think I'm gonna put that on my water bottle. I didn't have any Transformer stickers coming. The First Order. Oh, that's cool. I kind of like that. The Rebel symbol with Ahsoka's head tails. Just the First Order sticker. TIE Pilot. TIE Fighter. A cool design on a... Oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, I thought it's Lord Vader. I thought it was Boba. I was excited for a minute. That one might go in my water bottle. I'll put a few of these probably on there. I still have some space. This is a neat BB-8. And Vader. This is a really fun Rey. A lot of circular ones, which isn't, I mean, that's okay, I guess, if you're putting them in the right spot, but for what I'm gonna use them, I'm gonna have to be selective. I don't want too many circular ones on my water bottle. So there are 50, actually, I will say, there are 49 Star Wars stickers, vinyl stickers, and 1 Transformer sticker. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay safe and enjoy your summer.